Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use the inspector panel in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. So what is inspector panel? The inspector panel in DaVinci Resolve is where you adjust the properties of your selected clips like position, scale, opacity, rotation, and more. And here's how to open the inspector panel. Go to edit page and here enable the inspector panel, and in the top right corner just click it. Then the panel will slide out in the right side of your screen. And what you can do in inspector panel, select the clip on your timeline and you'll see the adjustable options in inspector. You can transform, position, zoom, rotation, angle, and anchor point. The cropping, you can crop to top, bottom, left or right. Composite, you can adjust the opacity, stabilization, lens correction, and also in audio settings, you can adjust the volume, pan, pitch, equalizer, and more. In text settings, you can add a text content, you can edit the file, the font, size, style, color, and position and shadow of the background. Pro tip, you can use a keyframe most inspector settings to animate changes over time. Just click the diamond icon next to the setting. And that's how you use inspector panel in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.